Just finishing up my long run for the weekend. It was 6 miles today. The marathon is getting really close. It's July 28th. So I only have literally a few more runs to do before race day. So now what's happening, according to my training plan, I'm pretty much tapering back. And a taper, for anyone who doesn't know, is really just like a cutback. So I'm just cutting back on my mileage. That way my legs will be really fresh for the actual race. Because at this point, really not doing anything to challenge myself to improve. It's too late for that. So now it's just relax, recover, so that everything can be rested up and at 100% for race day, or near 100% race day. The only thing I did different was on today, I used a different kind of collagen protein, collagen peptide. Sorry, I'm tired. And it has lots of protein in it. I used the collagen peptide so that I could get a little bit of protein in before I ran, because I don't like to eat solid food before running. It just doesn't really feel good on my stomach. So I try to limit solid foods before running, right before I have to run. If it's going to be like an hour, less than an hour, I limit and try to just have fluid. So I put the collagen peptide in my coffee. But this was a new brand. It wasn't Vital Proteins. In the past, I've only used Vital Proteins. So this was a new brand. It was Purely something. I can't remember the name of it. If I have a picture of it, I'll put a picture in here. But it was on sale at CVS, and I love a good sale. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try this out. So I did. And, it didn't do anything different taste-wise, for me, other than, Vital Proteins. There's like a slight difference in taste that I can't place, but it's very, very faint, which I'm fine with. So that was the only thing different that I did. Otherwise, I still did my strength training this week, still did my running on Tuesday, which is focused on hill training. And then Thursday, I did like a speed workout. And then today, my long run. Yesterday, I did do a really, really light 1 mile run on the treadmill when I was at the gym yesterday. And I have been doing that for a while too. So nothing else has really changed, just me tapering back with the running mileage, so my legs and body can be fresh for race day. Till then, I'll cut this video, and maybe I'll catch you out in these fitness running streets. Stay tuned, because race day is coming very soon.